Welcome students. Today we are going to start our topic, that is the friction in our daily life. What is importance and what is disadvantage of friction in our daily life, that we are going to discuss about. So let us start with the advantages of friction, that wherever the friction is required, where there is a necessity of friction in our daily life. First is that it is only the friction that is due to which we are able to stand, we are able to walk or run on the ground. हम ground पे चल सकते हैं, run कर सकते हैं. That is because of the grip between our foot and the ground. If there will be no friction, we will slip on a single place and we will keep on slipping at the one place, and we will not be moved forward, right? So this is the example. That is why it is difficult to walk on ice के case में there are very less irregularities as compared to the ground में बहुत सारी irregularities होती हैं, ऊपर नीचे होता है ground, but the ice बहुत smooth होती है, so that is why we slip on ice easily. So next comes it is because of the friction only that the things are at the proper place. जैसे you can imagine that the sofas, dining table are all at their respective places. That is just because of the friction. If there is no friction, they will keep on moving on the floor from one place to another. So it is just because of the friction that the things are at the proper place, right? Next comes, if the object starts moving, it will never stop. जैसे एक बार कोई चीज़ चलने लग गई, it will never stop if there is no friction. तो अगर किसी बॉडी को, अगर कोई कार चलने लग गई, वो अगर हम ब्रेक्स भी अप्लाई करें, then even it will not stop. So to stop a moving body, there is requirement of some friction force. So there is very much importance of friction to stop a body, to bring it in the rest position, right? And next is the trigger tires and the spikes on the shoes provide better grip. जो you might have seen footballers, उनके जो shoes डाले होते हैं उनके नीचे spikes होते हैं. Spikes क्यों होते हैं? Because they provide better grip to them, and so that they can run on the grassy ground also. Because grassy ground पे भी there is more slippery surface, that is less friction is there, so they can easily slip down. So that is why they use the spikes under their shoes to increase the friction. So there is one more advantage of friction, right? So coming to the next page, that is the friction generates heat. इसका example, that is advantage for us, is like in winters when we rub our palms with our hands की जो palms हम rub करते हैं, तो they become hot. This is because of the friction between our hands. We feel warm in the winters. And the next is, you might have seen the matchstick. Matchbox के side पे there is a rough surface on which we rub the matchstick and it burns. This is just because of the frictional force of the rough surface and the matchstick. Clear? One is we are able to write down on the books. This is also because of the friction between the ball pen and the book, right? If we are not able to write on the smooth surface, आप कभी भी फ्लोर पे नहीं लिख सकते, बिकॉज वो बहुत सारी क्या होती है, स्मूदर होती है. जितनी ज़्यादा स्मूदर होगी, देयर विल बी लेस फ्रिक्शन बिटवीन द पेन एंड द जो हम जिस पे लिखना चाह रहे हैं. तो दैट इज़ वाई दिस इज़ जो है फ्रिक्शन का इज़ द इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल इन writing the things on the boards or blackboards or on the pages also, right? Next, you cannot fix a nail in the wall, because nail तभी fix होगी if there is the irregular surface or rough surface. So this is one of the more example. Next is when the surface is solid, there is more friction, whereas it is because of the same reason that we are able to sit on the chair and place a table on it, place a book on the table. तो कोई चीज़ हम जैसे कोई solid चीज़ है, उस पर friction क्या होती है, ज़्यादा होती है. That is why we are able to sit on a chair, right? So this is the thing. Without friction, there will be no building or नो ब्रिज कुड बी बिल्ट। जैसे कोई बिल्डिंग बनाई है, उसके ऊपर एक ब्रिक के ऊपर दूसरी ब्रिक टिकी हुई है ना, तो दे आर ओनली एट देयर प्लेस ड्यू टू फ्रिक्शन। इफ देयर इज नो फ्रिक्शन, द bricks would fall from their places, they would slip down. So this is also one of the important role that is played by the friction in all this, right? Now comes the disadvantages. Disadvantages, like you might have seen that your cycle जिस पे आप स्कूल आते हो या फिर you use in your daily life, after 2 or 3 years it starts making noise, it becomes noisy. This is because जो उसकी चेन होती है, the chain, because the chain and the axle they are rubbing against each other, due to which there is a lot of friction in between the two, and जिससे the cycle की efficiency कम हो जाती है, and cycle क्या हो जाता है, थोड़ी थोड़ी टाइम तक उसके जो टूल्स हैं वो डैमेज होते जाते हैं. तो इट इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू पैडल इट आफ्टर सम टाइम बिकॉज ऑफ द मोर फ्रिक्शन. एंड ऑल्सो यू माइट हैव सीन द शू सोल्स बिकम, जो शूज़ की सोल्स होती हैं वो वॉर्न आउट हो जाती हैं, वो फट जाते हैं नीचे से शूज़. दिस इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ द फ्रिक्शन बिटवीन द ग्राउंड एंड द शूज़, राइट. And next is friction also causes wastage of energy. जैसे you can take an example, box is lying on the table, तो उसको move करने के लिए we will use our energy, we will apply some force, right. तो it is why we are applying some force, because of the frictional force. अगर frictional force ना हो तो box easily move हो जाए, right. So this is the friction causes wastage of energy. Next comes when the parts of the machines rub against each other, heat is produced and it affects the efficiency. Like you might have seen, जो machines होती हैं थोड़े टाइम के बाद उनके parts गर्म हो जाते हैं, और गर्म होने के कारण they melt also. This से machines become poor with their working. So this is because of the friction only. अगर friction ना हो तो machines would never become in poor condition, they would keep on working for the long time. So these are the disadvantages of friction, right. So in the next session we will start with the increasing, how can we increase the friction, how can we decrease the friction, right. So this is it for today. Thanks for watching.